All right, welcome to today's lesson on elapsed time. And you can see I have one of my favorite Star Wars characters, a Stormtrooper, talking about how long do I have to run. So what is elapsed time? Well, elapsed time is the measure of the duration of a specific event. It can also be defined as the time that has passed between the start and the end of an event. And elapsed time can be measured from start to finish or from finish to start. And an open timeline is one of the best ways to understand and to measure elapsed time. So let's continue. So how to measure elapsed time? Well, one, you're going to always make a timeline first. Then you're going to follow 3 steps. Count the whole hours first. Count the minutes next. And one thing you want to make sure that you do is you never go past the start or the end time in whole hours. So don't count so many hours that you go past the time that you need to stop at. So let's look at an example. So we have a start time here on the clock of 2 o'clock. And then we have an end time of 7:50. So what was the time that elapsed from the start to the end? So let's go ahead and mark this on our timeline here. So our start time was 2 o'clock. And our end time was 7:50. So the first thing we want to do is we want to count whole hours first. So we'll go 1 hour. And then we're going to mark the time. The time in the 1 hour will be 3 o'clock. Then we're going to go and count another whole hour. Now it's 4 o'clock. Then we're going to go 1 more hour. Now it's 5 o'clock. Then we're going to go another hour. Now it's 6. Then we're going to go another hour. Now it's 7 o'clock. Now we can't go another hour because another hour will put us at 8:50, and that's past our time. So now we want to count our minutes. You can do this in a number of ways. It's all up to you. But I'll change colors. And usually I'm going to go 20 minutes to 7:20. And then I'm going to go 30 more minutes to my end time of 7:50. And then now I'm going to count up my number of hours. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. So 5 hours and 50 minutes. And that is our elapsed time. So let's try one more. So now, movie ended at 7:55, what you see right here on our clock, and it lasted 2 hours and 12 minutes. What time did it start? So this time we're going to be going backwards, because remember from our definition that we can go from finish to start. So our end time is 7:55, and we want to try to find our start time. We change colors, go with red. So remember, we're going backwards. So we go backwards 1 hour, and now it's 6:50. 5:55. Then if we go back one more hour, now it's 5:55. And remember, we only needed to go back 2 hours. And we've done that. Now we need to go back our minutes. So we need to go back 12 minutes. First, I'm going to go back 10 minutes. And now it is 5:45. And now I need to go back 2 more minutes. So 2 minutes. And our start time would be our start time would be 5:43. So the movie started at 5:43 p.m. And here are some examples for you to try. And that is the end of our lesson on elapsed time. Make sure you practice and don't worry about it, because we will be doing a lot of this in class and you are going to love it. See you next time.